Understanding Chest Thump, a journey into English idioms. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting and expressive phrase in English, chest thump. This phrase is not just literal. It's packed with meaning and is a great example of how colorful and vivid the English language can be. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, this video will help you understand and use chest thump like a native speaker. First, let's break down the literal meaning. The word chest refers to the upper front part of the body, containing the heart and lungs. Thump, on the other hand, is a verb that means to hit something heavily, typically with a thudding sound. So, literally, a chest thump is the act of hitting one's own chest with a hand or fist. It's a physical gesture you might have seen in movies or sports events. Chest thump isn't just a physical action. It has a symbolic meaning too. It's often used to convey feelings of triumph, confidence, or self-assurance. Think of a gorilla thumping its chest in the wild. It's a show of strength and dominance. In human contexts, the gesture can communicate similar feelings, especially in competitive or triumphant moments. In everyday English, chest thump can be used metaphorically. For instance, if someone says, "He was all chest thump after winning the game," it means the person was very proud or boastful about their victory. It's a vivid way to describe someone's behavior or attitude that's brimming with pride or arrogance. To get a better grasp, let's see it in some sentences. 1. After clinching the deal, he did a figurative chest thump, boasting about his negotiation skills. 2. The team's chest thump was evident in their celebratory shouts and high fives after the match. Notice how chest thump can describe both a physical action and a metaphorical state of pride or celebration. And that's a wrap on chest thump. This phrase is a great example of how English can use physical actions to describe emotions or behaviors. I hope this video has been informative and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Keep exploring the richness of the English language, and see you in the next video. Happy learning!